my research provides insight into mommy vlogging, which were missing when the PhD was started. And these insights are especially pertinent in the light of the increasing exposure of mommy bloggers online and also across other media. This happens as the number of mommy bloggers keeps increasing, and some of them acquire very large audiences. To illustrate this, I have a little video here. This is the same blogger you saw before, only now she has become a very influential social media person, celebrity. This is a video clip of where she gets awarded the Shorty Award, which is an internet award for social media influencers.
And the Shorty Award goes to Just Fair.
Oh my God.
So you can see a difference between the first vlog and then this vlog, which was 13 years later. Yes. There's also a growing conversation about mommy vlogging because there's now more of an awareness of maybe the more harmful implications of mommy vlogging on mommy vloggers' children. And my PhD contributes to these conversations by highlighting the incentives and the risks that mommy vloggers have to negotiate as they engage in their live streaming practice that is increasingly commercialized, metricized, and professionalized compared to what it was when these mommy vloggers first started blogging. So specifically, my research has demonstrated that to gain and to maintain attention, the audience's attentions in these very competitive social media environments, mommy vloggers engaged in a storytelling mode, for which I suggest the term telling by doing, that requires them to acquire recording equipment and technological literacy, invest time, a lot of time in comprehensive filming and editing work, and to choose to record and broadcast and advertise events in family life that by many would be considered personal and intimate. They have to be happy to expose that online. At the same time, these tellability norms and conventions of blogging, which I will talk more about in this presentation, attest that mommy vloggers are valued for enacting a sort of an authentic and real and honest family life as a homemaker and as a stay-at-home mother that is very time-consuming and labor-intensive. So this places mommy vloggers in this precarious situation where they basically have to work 2 jobs at the same time, and while they have to pretend to not be working any. So they have to devote themselves to being a mother and sharing this passion with others. Furthermore, they have to find ways to navigate the incentive for producing content that is based on direct recordings of their family life, while also sort of enacting the role of a responsible parent, where people would say, well, why would you even share these intimate moments? And then another set of contradictory demands that I have unearthed concerns the expectations of mommy bloggers that they authentically narrate their life of naturally occurring events, while also finding their way in an attention economy where extraordinary developments in family life actually elicit attention and activate followers. And this is what my presentation today will. So this presentation today will focus on tellability in mommy blogging, which was the focus of one of my analytical chapters in the PhD. Specifically, to focus on one part of this chapter. So the question I asked in a part of my analysis was what aspects of mommy bloggers' lives and identities are constructed as particularly relevant to the narration of their lives online. Tellability is a concept from narrative research or narrative analysis. That is also often referred to as reportability. And it's a notion that is used to conceptualize the parameters that determine whether the telling of a story satisfied the demands faced by storytellers to announce and to deliver a performance that is deemed worthy of audience's attention. Is it good enough?